Oh, I'm tired today.
So, last night we did a barbecue, grill, and bonfire thing here at the farm, which was very nice. And I smell like barbecue or something, and I'm tired, but I feel good. So hello and welcome to a new video. My name is Ellen, and if you're new to my face, I want to welcome you here, and I'm very excited to have you here on my YouTube channel. For today's video, I was thinking of doing just random things that we do here on the farm. And I have a project today, and that is the kitchen project. Is that what we're going with? We're going with the kitchen project, okay. And I will put in right now how the kitchen looks before. And soon we will see how it will look after. Because I'm not satisfied with how it looks at the moment. I want it to be more farm style kind of style. Ugh, I'm tired, can you tell? And I found a couch on secondhand that I want to paint white, and I found a very nice yellow fabric that I'm gonna put on top, and a few other things here and there. I found a very gorgeous table in the barn actually, and I'm gonna make it more the way I want it, more farm style, and I want to take you guys along in the process. But before we get to that, I just wanted to mention a few things. Maybe you saw in my last video. If you saw that, I will link it down below. But we are right now, I guess you all know this, but the world is going through a pandemic, and Sweden are doing it a bit differently, I think, than other countries. But right now, me and Thomas, we have 3 friends here living with us. And one of those 3 people is one very close friend of mine named Alex, and she was in India when this whole pandemic kind of broke out, and she obviously needed to go home. So she went home and stayed with her mom and dad for 4 weeks, just to quarantine a bit for 4 weeks before she came here. And we also have 2 other friends that I have never met before actually, but me and Thomas, we're members on this site that's called Workaway, I think workaway.info or something, and that's kind of like couch surfing, I guess, if you know what that is. But you travel around the world, and instead of staying at hotels or hostels, you go to people's homes, and you stay there for free, and you eat for free in exchange for that you work kind of for them with different things that they need help with. It can be like childcare, gardening, different kind of things. And like, we live in a farm, we are a vegan farm, and we have animals, and we have all different kinds of projects. And so they reached out to us, and they are originally from Argentina, and they've been in Sweden for a long time now. And obviously they couldn't go to their home country because the borders were closed, and they didn't know really what to do. So they asked if they could come here and help us here on the farm, and so we said yes. And all of these 3 girls here, they've been here. It's Mylen, Eileen, and Alex. Alex is my longtime friend, and they've been here for almost a month now. And obviously we need to keep a distance, just like not us here, because we are living together. It's hard for us to keep a distance. But when we're outside, yes, we keep a distance towards other people, and we need to be responsible and follow what the experts are saying and following their advice. But we also need to help people, and since they couldn't really go anywhere, of course they could come here. So I'm not saying that you have to get people inside your home and let people live with you if you don't want that. But maybe you can help an elderly neighbor who can't go to the grocery store to shop some food for them, or maybe you can walk someone's pet or something. You can do something, because we're all going through this pandemic together, and we can all do something to make the world just a little bit better. And I just wanted to say that. But I love the little like collective kind of, like, now we are a sanctuary for many different animals, and now we're a sanctuary for humans too. But we're all having so much fun. We're doing yoga together, we eat a lot of really good food, and I just love the cultural exchange, and oh yeah, I'm loving this life right now, even though I wish the corona nasty things were over, but they're not at the moment, so we just have to go with yeah, and I'm trying to focus on what is good, and right now things are good. So yes, let's continue with this video. I'm gonna go out and paint this couch. Continue watching.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Wait tonight, better off, I'm gonna find my way tonight. Wait tonight, won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrows. Just talk to me. We'll make a new tomorrow. Just talk to me. One night to find the answer. Just talk to me. What makes this heart beat faster?
So, the kitchen has taken a couple of days just to get everything kind of ready. It's not completely done yet, but it's like 90% ish ready or something like that, and please excuse the whole mess everywhere. I'm just about to clean this up, but I wanted to show how the kitchen look. And if you follow me on Instagram, I will link it down below, then dishwasher. Then you already know that I posted a few pictures of how the kitchen actually looks from before and how it looks now. And now you will see the real thing. So the only few things that I want to change now is actually, I want to put fabric here so you don't really see what's under here. And I've also ordered a few shelves, like I think it was two shelves that I want to put here. Like two in a few different ways, I think. Because I just think that it would look good with this. And yeah, and a rug. I want a rug for the kitchen table, of course. So only fabric here, the shelves, two shelves like there and there or something. I might change how these look right now. But yeah, oh, this is so pretty. Now I feel so tired. And I was thinking of ending this video right here. If you liked it, I would be so very happy if you subscribe to my channel. And comment down below what else you want me to kind of film here around the farm, or if you have any other suggestions that you want me to film. And other than that, I just want to say thank you again and take care, stay safe, and you will see me in my next video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.